7 Sigma Offgrid.
Alrighty, we're at Home Depot. Home Depot. Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much. Thank you everyone for all of the well wishes for me getting better. And it has been a struggle. I don't know what I got, but it's terrible. Terrible things are coming up. Oh, it's just disgusting. My husband, is at Home Depot and he is getting some materials for our greenhouse, but he shared a little secret with me. He messed up the greenhouse foundation. So I think they have to start over. The boys have to start over, but that's okay because he learned, he figured out what he did wrong. So this weekend we can work on fixing the foundation. But yeah, this is going to be very interesting because this is again, another lesson for him, another lesson for us. And we haven't even got started with building up the greenhouse. We're just on the foundation part. So he is coming out now. What you got?
Cheese nut.
So my husband, even though he sleeps in the bed with me, doesn't want to touch the mic because I touched it.
Contaminated. I don't want that to ask us. You got that nasty one with the disease.
Y'all tell us, what movie is that from?
You got that nasty one. What's up, little sickie? Little sickie.
I didn't go into the store because I didn't want to make anybody sick except for you.
Of course.
But you got a good, healthy immune system. So you don't ever get a cold when I get a cold. I don't know what he does, but I will catch a cold and be around him and nothing will happen. Yeah, you definitely don't want what I have because I don't think this is a cold.
Look how long this level is. This is a leveler.
Why do you need that?
Level all the blocks.
You gonna level all the blocks because you couldn't level it before?
I don't know how to work on spring. I don't know how to do laser level. We tried, we failed.
I was letting them know I was picking at you because you messed up the foundation.
Ain't messed up. It's fixable.
So he says it's fixable. And I believe that. You're going to have to do a lot to fix it?
Putting in concrete everything, so that's what saved my butt.
Yeah, that's true. The reason why we're working on the greenhouse, we're trying to get it up before the springtime so that we can start planting seedlings so they can start growing. So that's why we are trying to get the greenhouse put up expeditiously, right?
And I'm waiting on some rock for the driveway. So while we done that, we'll do something else.
Right.
Multitask. Trying to find some 4-inch rock, some 3-inch rock to put down in the ruts before I put the road base on top. Ain't nobody around here got no 4-inch rock. We ain't got that. Everybody call. We ain't got that. We ain't got that.
Well, if you don't find any, do you have an alternative?
1.5-inch rock to go in the ruts.
That'll work just as well?
I don't know. All this is new. Watching videos and researching and studying.
Okay.
I'm supposed to put bigger rock down first and then put the road base on top with the fines to lock it in. I went the wrong way at first. I was going to put dirt in the road base and then 3/4 gravel. But that's wrong. You got to dig all that dirt out. Put the driveway.
Are you serious? We have to dig the dirt out that we put in the driveway? Okay, well, we are staying true to our brand, hustling backwards, because we got to go back and redo something again.
This is redo month. Redo the greenhouse base. Redo the driveway. You need to redo your health. Your health is slacking.
Yeah, it sure is. This month, this has been terrible. It started off like bleh.
Little sick guy. Sick guy.
Hey guys. Okay, so we are on our way up to the property. We have lots of crew with us. They're gonna help us out because
We suck.
we don't suck. We
Ain't
just,
built nothing.
my husband messed up on the foundation of our greenhouse, so we bought reinforcement. We're gonna start over and we're gonna fix the foundation and we're gonna try to get to the next step. That is the goal. And we have a mystery box, so we're gonna find out what's in our mystery box. So we're gonna take you guys along on that journey and we will see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
7 Sigma Offgrid.